How to use Squarespace Scheduling, a beginner's tutorial. Hello and welcome. And today we're going to have a deep dive and in-depth tutorial on Squarespace Scheduling. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to create an efficient, streamlined appointment booking website with Squarespace. So what is Squarespace? Squarespace is a robust website builder that is known for its sleek templates and intuitive design interface. It's not just for creating stunning website, but it also offers a range of features like e-commerce, marketing tools, and importantly, scheduling capabilities, which is what we're here for. Now, it has extremely good user-friendly designs, customization options, SEO tools, and integrated functionalities such as email campaigns and social media integration. You can stay organized and schedule anything with or without a website, which is super amazing that even if you do not have a website, you can still use Squarespace that way. And you save so much time by automating and customizing appointment confirmations, reminders, follow-ups, and intake forms. So basically just like keep your client prompts and client information organized. This works for every business model that has scheduling appointments. You can customize communication, you can coordinate your calendar, you can have streamlined payments, you can have video conferencing as well, have or add or integrate packages, gift packs, or subscriptions. You can take custom intake forms from your clients to learn and build better connections with your clients. Also have the option to invoice. Now let's move on and have a look onto our website again. These are some amazing reviews that by people who are already using Squarespace for scheduling. These are the apps that you can integrate with Squarespace. So you can add Google Analytics, Zapier, Outlook, Google Calendar, PayPal, GoToMeetings, and once again Google Calendar, GoToMeeting, Stripe, and Square. So these are its pricing plans basically. This is this is the emerging plan, this is the growing plan, and this is the powerhouse plan. In the first emerging one, which is for $16 per month, you have calendar for each team member, employee, and their location for one member, and calendar syncing. You have custom payment settings, you have a card vaulting, invoicing, and automatic reminder emails. But you do not have SMS text reminders, packages, gifts, membership and subscription, and staff locations in multiple time zones or custom API and CSS. That is available in the growing and the powerhouse plan of Squarespace. Now let's move on and talk about its scheduling app. It's like an integrated, powerful tool by Squarespace that is designed to manage appointments, classes, or events right here. There is absolute ease of integration, so much flexibility in managing your various types of bookings and automated features, which we just went over with right now. Let's start by creating our Squarespace account. Let's go quick on try scheduling right here and start with its free trial. Absolutely. And as you can see, once it signs up, I've already have my account right here. So I have a free trial going on already. So this is how the dashboard looks like. This is not how it's going to look like initially because for me, I've already signed up and filled in my basic details. It's going to ask you how or what you're going to be using this app for. What sort of website do you have? Let's just say you have a salon booking website. It's going to basically customize it for you that way. So let's start by designing our scheduling page. We can also add appointment types, set up our availability, create our booking pages, then manage the rest of our booking pages as well. So let's start by designing our schedule page. First, let's move on to this is the appearance of our schedule page. This is how it looks like. Let's expand its view. Now let's close it and type in a business name right here. This is our business name. It could be Jenna and Georgie. Okay, this is how it's going to look like, and then I can add up a logo from here from my computer already, or then I can also select your industry. This is going to be beauty salon, so I do it up at that. And then if you don't have a logo already, you can click on create one and it leads you to a Squarespace logo, a dedicated place where you can generate and create and customize your own logo. And below here is the scheduling instructions, any instructions that you think would be necessary to add for your clients to know. And the week that it starts on is from Monday. And the time format that you want to show up is it like the standard one or the 24-hour one? I'm going to go with the standard one. And the language, you can change the font. I'm not a big fan of Source Sans Pro, so I'll change the font right real quick. There's no Times New Roman, so I'll go with the Roboto. And what is this? Button or accent colors. Let me change that real quick to red. I absolutely love red here. You can go forth and also type in the shade names because it's like not a wide range of colors being displayed. But let's move with this one. I like this with the black as well, but gray with the black looks very monotonous. Let's keep it simple and go with our first choice, which is red. Let's move on to our logo making. This is how, let's create our logo. It was Jenna and Jaji. Let's move with it. This is Jenna and Jaji. Let's search for symbols. Okay. It's a beauty salon, so let's just type in beauty and see what we can get. There's a lipstick. There's female. Oh, I like this. Let me add in this as well as the lipstick. You can have it. This was the way our card is gonna look like. This is how the web page is gonna look like. And this is how it's gonna be looking like on the, but I'm not a big fan of this. Have a tagline, self-care is important because nothing else is coming up in my mind. Okay, instead of the lipstick, I think something that is more promising is maybe this bowl right here. No, that looks like something out of a culinary logo. Let's just go with this. No, let's just stick with the lipstick actually. So this, I'm going to quickly click on save logo, and then I can download your logo for free and also then download it this way, or this way. I like this one actually. So once it's downloaded, I can go up here, choose file, and simply add in that logo. This is our logo, and then let's move on to the template. Do we want to show it up like a daily basis? How do you want your calendar to appear? Monthly basis or daily basis? This is how it looks like on a monthly basis, and this is how it looks like on daily basis. I actually prefer the other way around, so let me choose that. And here we have it. Moving on to the body of our background, you can customize it any way you'd like. I'd like it this way. Okay, and then the scheduler background could be like it to be white. It could be black. Let's keep it simple, white. And then the scheduler text background, I like it black, and this is the accent color, which is going to be red, which is going to be the same as the body of the body and the button. They're going to be the same color. Then I can just simply go ahead by saving the changes. And once that's done, let's see how our website looks like live. Now, once that's done, let's move on to appointment types. Like, let's add in appointments, new types of services that we offer. We can, let's just go on with aromatherapy. And how long it's going to take, it's going to be for 15 minutes. Set up the price for it. The price is going to be $50. You can add a picture of it and you can see how many people can access it. Only the private people that you specifically share a link with, in case you want to create a specific service just for certain people. Like, let's just say you're creating a membership and you only want people who have been paid and they're entitled to be the member of that specific service. You can make it to private, but this is a general service that I'm offering, so I'm just gonna go ahead with public. I can also add a picture to like better visually describe how the service looks like. So, and also, is this like a group class or a group event? It is not. So I just simply click on create appointment type and we save that in and our appointment is added. We can also further add on other appointments that we have. Like, these are the ones that I have as of now. There's direct scheduling link in it, and then I can add new types of services. Also, there's option to add on, where I can add certain add-ons with a specific service. Like, there's foot massage already right here. I could add for a blow dry or like hair mask or anything of that sort. I can also add coupons from here. And then once I move back in here, let me manage my availability options on the calendar, like here. Let's say how many I have regular hour in. I can set like the hours of availability that I am available to cater to those services. Like let's just say if a client chooses this aromatherapy on Monday, based on this availability, the clients would see the timing that I'm available from 9 a.m. and then at 9:50, then 9:40 a.m. and then at 2 p.m. and 2:50 and 3:40. And let's just say a client books appointment of 2:50, and this is just going to disappear, and the other client is only going to see the ones available here, like this. So I can set this up based on the limits and my hours of availability over here. And then I can, once you move on to the rooms and resources, like let's just say if you have 3 rooms that 5 people can be staffed into, you can create a resource of rooms with a quantity of 3 by clicking on new resource. But we don't want to get into that then. Let's move on with the intake form questions, where you basically just create a custom form where you once like clients are scheduled enough for the appointment, you take in their intake, like did they like the experience, also take in their name, phone number, and email, so once you're gathering information, and you can easily track their appointment information as well. So thank you so much for joining me in this comprehensive guide to Squarespace scheduling. Happy scheduling, everybody.